Mr. Shafkat Mezarov is the president of the Uzbekistan, and in his era, they say it's the third renaissance. Uzbekistan is coming up very fastly in terms of human dignity and the development, and it's opening up after so many years under the communism, long time, but now it's opening up in a very and integrating very quickly to the region and the greater world. Uzbekistan is very close to Pakistan. It's 1 hour 22 minutes flight from Pakistan, same time zone, and we share so many cultural and other similarities with them. Bukhara, Uzbekistan, Farghana Valley, from where the Mughal Empire came. We have today with us Senator Mr. Hassan Armatov, and he's a former journalist as well, and that's my player. I would just focus on this book. Excellency, the book which has been launched, what is the specific thing, how this new Uzbekistan is different from the old Uzbekistan?
Demek boshida aytib o'tdilar, mana bugun bu kitob taqdimoti bo'lib o'tgani, bunda asosan shu bo'layotgan reformalar, maslahatlar gap o'tdik. Keyin savol anaqa nima dedi, nima yangi O'zbekiston bilan eski O'zbekistonning farqi aynan mana shu kitobda ko'rsatilgan.
Yangi O'zbekiston bu butunlay yangi rakursda o'zbek xalqining namoyon bo'lishi.
Described in this book, for example, that before we was the close country. A lot of years, we closed the relations with the other neighbors and beyond the region. And unfortunately, it was the internal, external, the policy was closed. But nowadays, our policy is opened. We are working with the international organizations, and in the region we united. The 9 years ago, our Central Asia, it was another, but nowadays it's more open, and nowadays they are working together. And now they are the united region, and C5 plus the formats we are negotiating with the other countries, with international organizations. And the aim, of course, and to peace, prosperity, and to resolve any challenge.
And
I'm simultaneously translating.
Translating?
Okay.
And what are the possibilities of, we listen a lot about that trade corridor that Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Uzbekistan is the center to Pakistan and all that.
Juda ko'p eshitdim, ya'ni bugungi tadbirda sizlar transport koridor haqida gapirib o'tdinglar, aynan shu O'zbekiston, Qozog'iston, O'zbekiston, Pokiston orqali shular haqida fikringizni bilmoqchi.
Umuman qaraganda bu demak Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlari prezidenti bilan bo'lib o'tgan muloqotda ham bizning prezidentimiz aynan o'sha Ozarbayjon Armaniston o'rtasidagi tinchlik, ya'ni sulh, ya'ni kelishuvga erishganligi uchun o'sha Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlari prezidentiga minnatdorchilik bildirdi va bu Markaziy Osiyoni o'sha aynan nima deydi uni haligi
birlashtiruv
nima deydi o'sha koridor bor-ku, transport koridori. Ozarbayjon va Armaniston chegarasidagi transport koridori orqali butun biz ilgari masalan trayektoriyamiz juda kichkina edi.
Azerbaijan and Armenia, we just opened the new markets. Masalan
hamkorlari
Uzbekistan. Nowadays
ko'lami oshdi ancha. Bu degani masalan bu ko'p vektorlik. Ko'p vektorlik degani masalan mana Pokistonga intilyapmiz. Pokistondan o'zimizni manfaatimizni, bozorimizni izlayapmiz. Ilgari bo'lmagan. Janubiy Osiyo mamlakatlari biz uchun juda katta imkoniyatlar eshigini ochishini
potential for our countries, and of course this policy is openness and of course
Kaspiy yo'lagi orqali amalga oshiriladigan o'sha bizning hamkorliklarimizni ham bevosita bu nafaqat Kaspiy orqali, bu masalan Trans-Afg'on yo'lagi orqali masalan Pokistonga chiqish, Pokistonning portlari orqali dunyoga yo'l, dunyoni o'ziga yaqinlashtirish. O'zbekiston bugungi kunda iqtisodiy jihatdan sanoati rivojlanayotgan mamlakatlardan biriga aylanyapti mintaqada. Sabab bu juda katta investitsiyalar oqimi kiryapti. Yalpi ichki mahsulot mana shu o'tgan qisqa muddatda 5 barobar oshdi. 4 barobar oshdi. 4 barobar savol. Bu yaqin yillar davomida bularni ko'lami yana oshib borishi nazarda tutiladi. Bizda ham mana xabarlaringiz bor. Qurilayotgan o'sha yashil energetika yo'nalishi. Biz yashil energiya sotadigan energetika eksport qiladigan juda katta bir markazga aylanmoqchimiz. Bundan tashqari mana paxta, biz ilgari paxtani faqat xomashyo tarzida sotardik. Paxtani o'zidan oladigan daromadimiz o'sha masalan bundan oldin 10 yil oldinga nisbatan men sizga aytishim mumkin qariyb 5 barobar oshdi. Buni hammasi bu demak O'zbekistonda o'sha transport sohasidagi yangiliklar, innovatsiyalar sohasidagi bizda prezidentimizning tashabbuslari bilan axborot texnologiya IT eksperti ham juda katta ko'lam kasb etadi. Ya'ni 1 million dasturchi dasturiy ijrosida yo'nalishida qariyb 1,5 milliondan ko'proq dasturchilarimiz paydo bo'ldi. Bu butun dunyo bilan masalan o'zimizda turib bu xizmatlarni ko'rsatyapmiz. Mamlakatni o'sha hamkorlari ko'lamini oshishiga xizmat qiladi.
Thank you very much. And you know, you have just listened to it. Senator is convinced that in near future, through this trade corridor and other routes, there would be good cooperation between Pakistan and Uzbekistan, and the region can come up as a whole to the coming to the new realities. And Uzbekistan is the central point in almost, it has been declared as a central point in Central Asia, and from there we can connect, Pakistan can connect to further destinations, and the other European destinations can connect through Uzbekistan to Pakistan and to the sea. With this we come to the end of the program. Bye for now.
Teşekkür.